Artist's log, stardate February 5th, 2025, showing the 3D printed marker storage and a pencil vase. Supplemental. The link to these 3D printable files is in the description of this video. Hi everyone, I come here today showing you my marker storage solution. A friend of ours has recently gotten a 3D printer and he asked if I wanted something to be printed, and I asked for these. So here they are. I had them in bronze, so they have these little things on the bottom so they fit well together, so you can stack them. As you can see, they stay very well. And yeah, I really like them. They hold 25 markers each, so and you can fit in basically all of these the alcohol markers, so you can even put in some that are bigger. So yeah, but I will show you once it's in place how I stored my markers. I'm gonna put my Ohuhu markers in here. I have a set of 216, yes, and I had a set of 72, but those are the exact same colors as in the bigger set, so I'm not going to be putting them in here. I also gonna put this a bit aside, this a beautiful vase to put markers, pencils, whatever you like in it. It's very light. So yeah, and I will leave the links to these 3D printables in the description of this video, so you can check them out yourself if you know someone who can do 3D printing. Then maybe you can have these printed yourself. But for this one, I have to say you have to print it in Vase mode. If you don't print it in Vase mode, you get this. So we didn't know that. So, but I am gonna do something with this. I already have some ideas to use this for, so yeah. But I'm going to sort my markers in this. I'm not going to film that because that would take too long. So for you it will just be a second, but for me it will take up some time. So I will see you in a bit and show you these when they are in my cabinet. And yeah, be right back. So this is how I put my markers from Ohuhu. I sorted them as they are on these swatch cards here, because I started sorting them on color like they look on the swatch cards, but that wasn't working. So I have another bag of Ohuhu markers, as I said, a set of 72, and they were all the same, so they are not in here. Here are some other Ohuhu, some fine liners that I got, but I already have them, so these are doubles. And yeah, and then a little bit more of my little art space. This is the pen holder, but I couldn't get any of my pens in there, so I put some metallic pencils in here from Marco, and they fit in. Some Faber-Castell pencils to work on black paper. the neons and the pastel colors. And these are some from Koh-i-Noor, the polycolors. So yeah, these fit in really well. But if I take some, let me show you. I wanted to put these in, but they don't fit. And if I put them like this, they don't fit either. So yeah, I was hoping that I could put them in, but yeah, the same for my sturdy Derwent charcoal pencils. They, yeah, you have to really put them in, but see, it doesn't come out very well. I can put in some weights, but yeah, where did I put? Take this. Yeah. Same for these. These are okay, but yeah. But if you wanna grab these, as you can see, you really have to hold this. But it looks quite nice, doesn't it? I'm really happy with this. It's yeah. The good thing is if you hold it up, not many will fall out. So only a few came out. So if it falls over, your pencils will stay inside. But yeah, that's it. So I will, as I said, I will link all of the 3D printables, the marker storage, and this pencil holder in the description. I found them on Thingiverse, so but I will put them in there, and then you can check them out yourself. So if you like videos like this, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. You can do that down here or the button here. Or at the end of the video, there will be popping up something around here as well. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.